Good day, StudyBuds! Welcome to YouTube. This is StudyBud Bianca, and I'm here to tell you all about plant and animal cells. Let's go! Plant cell, function and parts. First, let us talk about the plant cell. The plant cell, with photosynthesis as its main function, has a cell wall unlike the other cells. It is made of cellulose, protein, and other polysaccharides. It provides structural support and protection. The large central vacuole, which is also found in the plant cell, can occupy 30 to 90% of the cell's volume. It serves as the cell storage and maintains the pressure inside the cell. Its key role is to regulate the cell's water concentration in changing environmental conditions. Lastly, the plant cell consists of plastids like chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. They are important for photosynthesis and storage within the plant. The chlorophyll, a green pigment in the chloroplasts, captures the light energy that drives the reactions of plant photosynthesis. Now, let's move on to the types of plant cells. Plant cell types. The 5 different types of plant cells are the collenchyma, sclerenchyma, parenchyma, xylem, and phloem. The first 3 are tissues that provide support and perform photosynthesis. They can be differentiated by the type of their cell wall. The xylem and phloem are in charge of water and food transport, respectively. The xylem transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, while the phloem transports food such as sugar and amino acids from photosynthesis from the leaves to the roots and stems of the plant. Now that we know more about the plant cells, let's see how different they are from animal cells. Animal cell, function and parts. The main functions of the animal cells are the production and storage of energy, transportation of molecules, protein synthesis, and DNA replication. Animal cells have centrosomes and lysosomes, which plant cells don't have. Centrosomes play an important role in cell growth and division. Lysosomes, on the other hand, are responsible for cellular digestion, repair, and protection against foreign substances. Now, let's discuss the types of animal cells. Animal cell types. The 5 types of animal cells are skin, muscle, blood, nerve, and fat. Skin cells are in charge of releasing keratin and melanin, which are very important in keeping the body protected. Muscle cells are responsible for the conscious as well as subconscious movements of the body, including the general movements like walking or even the beating of the heart. Blood cells consist of red blood cells that deliver oxygen to the different parts of the body and the white blood cells that fight off infections. Nerve cells, or neurons, are the main cells of the nervous system. They carry, deliver, and receive messages around the body, keeping it coordinated. Last but not the least are the fat cells. They store the lipids in the cell. That's all for the plant and animal cells, StudyBuds. We hope that you have learned something from us today. See you in our next one!